Hey Julie, I'm having some trouble. Can you help me out?
Hi John, what is it?
Actually, I have to upload two applications into a server. But the problem is that both of the applications require different resources and OS version. Company does not want to invest in two machines. How can I solve this problem? How to make these two applications run in one server?
You can create VMs on that single server and can run your application in the different VMs.
Yeah, but VM takes a lot of time to boot up. As you know, two separate OS versions on top of hypervisor will slow down the server. And also I heard my boss saying that in near future there will be around 40 different types of applications. Creating VMs will not solve that problem.
Then why don't you use Docker container?
Docker container? What is that?
Docker container stores code, libraries, configuration files, etc. Containers are safe and scalable when talking about software development and quite easy to use too. You can package your application into these lightweight containers and move them easily. You can have hundreds of containers running in your original server.
Oh wow, amazing. But what about the boot up time?
Containers are lightweight since it share its kernel and virtualize the OS, because of which the boot up time is also very less.
It's really mind boggling. Can you please tell me how is Docker able to do all these things?
Docker takes advantage of several features of the Linux kernel to deliver its functionality. When you run a container, Docker creates a set of NB namespaces for that container. These namespaces provide the layer of isolation. Each aspect of a container run in a separate namespace and its access is limited to that namespace.
Interesting. But how can I create a container?
Container are running instance of a Docker image. So in order to create a Docker container, first you have to have a source of a Docker image.
Wait. Now, what is a Docker image?
Docker image is a set of layers that serve for code execution in a Docker container. In other words, it is a template for running your container. An image comprises of a Docker file, system libraries, dependencies, tools, and settings. These building blocks are important for running Docker itself. It is based on OS kernel and most often it is Linux or Windows. Along with a Docker Windows container, you can have Docker image for any OS as well.
So, when we run an image and make it active, it becomes the container?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you for clearing my doubts.
No problem.